Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce us from group 7 from class D. My name is Emri Faridautalillah. NIM 1197050063. And with my friend, his name is Raffi Rai Herianto. 1197050108. Now I will explain a journal review entitled Mendesain ulang kurikulum bahasa Inggris untuk program studi perpustakaan dan informasi. Abstract. In this globalization era, learning English for librarians is a must. It is considered essential for librarians when communicating with foreign libraries and vendors, or assessing research and attending conferences on their own discipline. Library and Information Studies at Diponegoro University, as the object of this research, is also give English as mandatory subject for students and every semester. The previous curriculum for Library and Information Studies at Diponegoro University are General English, first semester, English for Comprehension, second semester, English for Librarian, third semester, Translation, fourth semester, and Speaking, fifth semester. However, there is a problem in the journey to this curriculum design. After teaching for one semester in a translation classroom, discussing with another lecturer in another translation classroom, several problems are found. The first problem is most of the students are not familiar with the library vocabularies. Second problem is students are still having difficulties in arranging the tense for English Indonesia translation. Then it is led to the third problem, that is the translation semester plan. This is planned to teach both Indonesian English translation and English Indonesian translation could not be achieved. Therefore, this research is aiming at redesigning the English curriculum for library and information studies based on the problem facing in the classroom. This research is an action research. The result of this research is a new curriculum arrangement for English subject at library and information studies. The new curriculum design is General English, first semester, English Conversion, second semester, English Indonesian translation, third semester, Indonesian English translation, fourth semester, and English for librarian, fifth semester. The background from this journal. In this globalization era, learning English for special purpose, English for specific purpose, or commonly abbreviated as ESP, is being promoted. Functionally, ESP learning aims to make students get an experience of learning English which at the same time will provide academic goals, professional and in accordance with field of work to be addressed with study certain linguistic component. ESP learning for librarians is also a must. This is considered important for librarians because librarians will always communicate with foreign libraries and vendors, or access research and attend conferences according to their discipline. The making of curriculum. Next, theory use. The making of curriculum for ESP is based on the needs of students in the world of work. Based on the theory from Hutchinson and Waters, ESP is a language teaching approach where all decisions for contents and methods are based on the student's reason for learning. This method, according to Shaw, who explained that the teaching of English in ESV was designed to meet the specific needs of students. For this reason, the English learning curriculum adapt to the needs of students and their work world in this case is to be librarian. However, there are a number of theories related to the preparation of English learning materials in general. Ricard explained the development of language teaching curriculum in the field input, process, and output. Input describe the process of identifying what students will need or course content. Research question. This is journal. Is the curriculum arrangement appropriate for learning English for program student, library, and information study? Research methods. This is journal. The methodology used in this research is action research. Action research is because action research is a tool used to help educator to uncover strategies for improving teaching practice. Data collection. This is journal based on Calhoun 1994. Action research is research that has cycle. Number 1, choosing an area and focus of research. Number 2, collecting data. Number 3, organizing data. Number 4, analyze and interpret data. And number 5, take action. In this study step number 1 to number 4 have been carried out since forming the language curriculum England since the beginning of the semester. This is done by observing the learning outcomes, enthusiasm, and motivation of students toward learning English that is given. In this research, step number 5 is being carried out by forming a new curriculum structure as the form of taking action. It is expected after taking the results of action research, this time in the form new curriculum cycle to can also be implemented. Conclusion from this journal: after studying the application of learning English for one semester in the program library and information study, it was found that the composition of the English language curriculum for 5 semesters is considered less than the maximum. Therefore, the language curriculum was rearranged English for library and information course and are adapted to learning theories language, especially English for specific purpose, or ESP, or what we know as language learning, English for special purpose. After adjusting to the related theory, a new arrangement was found more suitable, namely General English first semester, English conversion second semester, English Indonesian translation third semester, Indonesian English translation fourth semester, and English for librarian 5 semester. As for the obstacle encountered in remake the curriculum, this English language is the limited learning time to be given, which is 5 semesters. So, in its implementation, it is expected that from the first to the last semester, all can be integrated material with library vocabulary so that it can facilitate learning on subsequent semesters.